It's finally snowed here, which means that I can finally give up the pretense of maintaining my beach body. Thank God I can finally put on my fat pants. To celebrate this, let's make the best damn hot cocoa ever. First thing we're going to need is a XX large coffee cup. To that, we're going to add all the hot cocoa from the Hot Coco snowman. To that, we're going to add 2 shots of Fireball whiskey. One shot of butter shots. And finally, some hot water. Stir all that together. And top it off with a fancy little snowman. Nailed it!